Hello guys, I'm Yelchin. Today we are going to check Ads Insights from SellerSprite. As you know, PPC is getting harder and harder, so we need to spend a lot of money to discover which kind of PPC structure work for us, which keywords are better to convert well. So instead, you can use our software to analyze your competitors' keywords, your competitors' PPC structure. For example, by using Ads Insight from SellerSprite, you can discover which keywords your competitor use, which kind of structures they use. Do they use a broad match or phrase match or maybe exact match? Do they use automatic targeting? All of them we are gonna discover today. Just let me introduce our Ads Insights to you. I suppose you launch Sunshade on Amazon and you are selling well. Grab any of your competitors' ASIN and come back to SellerSprite and find Ads Insights. Paste that ASIN here and click search. For example, this product has 18 different campaigns and 44 different ad groups. If same ad group contains two different ASINs, we're supposed to different ad groups. So just you can see that information from here as well. So you can see campaigns here and as well as ad groups. For example, you can see a campaign name. We just call it randomly 4NDG. 4NDG. You see it from here, and also from here. 4NDG. So this is same campaign, but there are different ad groups under this campaign. For example, the first campaign name is WKZE. Second ad group name is QTOQ. Another one is QKS3. As you see from here, at least there are 3 different ad groups under this code campaign. When you come here, you can analyze weekly or monthly. For example, you can click month and see monthly dataset here. Also, you can sort those dataset latest first or oldest first. Let's explain weekly. These circles indicate search terms. For example, when you bring your mouse over, you can see from here. This data indicates 31st of December and July 1st, 2023. This particular ad group had 29 different search terms, or for example, you can come here and see February 22nd to February 29th, there were 57 different search terms here. And of course, you can go back on time and see even different time frames. Search terms like even you can go 1 year ago to see these particular ad groups' search terms. For example, you can click here. It directs you to a new page. And you can click here and see different weeks of year. Here you are gonna see search terms, you can see ASIN. And you can see sponsored rank for this particular ASIN. And you can see organic rank here. And let's go back again, PPC Insights. And lastly, I would like to show you if there is a bigger and smaller circles. So it's highly likely this is automatic targeting because sometimes it gets more search terms, sometimes less. For example, let's click this one and the analyze. I'm gonna look at end of May's dataset. Here is the search terms, car protector, sunsheet for car window. As you see, they are mainly different keywords and they are not root keyword here. So I suppose it's highly likely this is automatic type targeting. Let's check another campaign and another ad group. Let's check out this one. When it's similar circles, it's highly likely this is an exact campaign. For example, you see there are 30 research terms, Carson shades, it's highly like Lattice's broad match or phrase match. You need to analyze by yourself. Let's open this one. There are only 20 keywords here. Car window. RAV4 window shade. As you see, these keywords are different. And so I suppose this campaign and this ad group is sponsor product exact match. So for example, we found sponsor product, automatic targeting, sponsor product, phrase or broad match. And if we found out sponsor product exact match, you can analyze or you can export all this dataset to analyze later. Or you can use sorting function from here, or ascending or descending. Or even you can create keyword list by clicking here. Clicking here. Clicking here. And the keyword list. And I'm going to call it as Ads Insights. Save. Save. So you can go back to check keyword list later. So this is basic view of Ads Insights today. I explained. Please let me know if you have any questions. We are always here to answer your questions when I stay. Take care.